Hello students, I am Mrs. Rima Sengupta from Shed Vidya Mandir English High School, Vasai.
Today I am going to reteach English grammar for standard 7th, verbs, non-finite forms, part 2. The infinitive without to. We use the infinitive without to after these verbs. Let, make, bid, dare, need. For example, let me leave or I will miss my bus. In the case of dare and need, we use to infinitive in affirmative sentences but drop the to in negative sentences. For example, people often dare not challenge the society. Second example, he need not be looked after. We also use the infinitive without to after these verbs of perception. See, hear, watch, know, feel. For example, I saw all my friends get into the bus. We use the infinitive without to after these expressions. Had better, would rather, sooner than, rather than. For example, it's getting dark. We had better stop this discussion. To. We can express ideas by using the to pattern. For example, she was so confused that she couldn't say anything. This sentence we can express in this way also. For example, she was too confused to say anything. Infinitives to make sentences compact. We can sometimes use the infinitive to make our sentences compact. For example, Mr. Raman hoped that he would win the election easily. We can say this sentence in other way also, that is, Mr. Raman hoped to win the election easily. Infinitives to join sentences. Sometimes we can use the infinitive to join pairs of sentences. We take the more important of the two sentences as the main clause and we convert the verb in the other sentence into an infinitive. For example, they will get the news. They will be irritated. So, this sentence we can use like that. They will be irritated to get the news. Now we will start participles to join sentences. We can use participles also to join sentences. As in the case of infinitives, we can take the more important sentence as the main clause and convert the verb in the other sentence into a participle. For example, Neeraj was in Osaka for 2 years. He worked as an interpreter. This same sentence we can take like that also. Neeraj was in Osaka for 2 years working as an interpreter. Here, working is participles. If two things happen at the same time, we use ing, that is present participle, for one of the verbs. For example, Jim saw a snake. He began to shout. This sentence we can use like that also. Seeing a snake, Jim began to shout. Here, seeing is participle, present participle. When one action is done before another action, we use having, that is perfect participle, for the first action. For example, we bought the tickets. We went into the theater. This sentence we can say using having. Having bought the tickets, we went into the theater.